Hey everyone. All right. We are going to go over our News to You article for this week of April. I'm looking at this 27th, I believe. So our story this week is called Sharing Happiness. Last week we talked about Greta Thunberg. A lot of people didn't like that article. It wasn't my favorite. So this week I'm glad it's about something happy. So right now it's a really hard time, and we all have to find ways to be positive with everything that's going on. So let's talk about how we can help each other be happy. Okay, so here is our core vocabulary. Parents, if you can print, this is really beneficial to them. If not, you can go back to it. Okay, but we have rainbows. A lot of people love rainbows. Your sidewalk, what you can do with chalk on your sidewalk. Okay, music in your neighborhood. Your neighborhood is where you live. So Miss Connor lives in the Garden of Eden, is what they call it, from the Bible. And I love my neighborhood, and we have done a lot of fun things in my neighborhood with chalk. All right, so let's see what our story is about. See if I can get it to go. All right, our title is Sharing Happiness. This is a picture of two people sharing. Many people are staying home more now. We're being forced to stay home so that we are safe and healthy, guys. They are helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus. So remember, the coronavirus is what's going around right now. Okay, and that is what we are trying to stop. Some people may feel sad or scared. It depends on the day. Some days I feel really sad. I miss you guys. I miss my family and friends. And some days I feel scared. My best friend is really sick right now, and she's a nurse, and I'm very scared for her. People are sharing happiness to help others feel better. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. Some people are putting lights onto their homes. If you guys have seen that, some people are putting Christmas lights out. The governor, Andy Beshear is our governor. He has asked everyone to put a green light out, just in remembrance of those who died. So I urge you to ask your parents if you have a green light at home. And if you do, put that out. People are putting lights onto their trees too. Others see the bright lights at night. The lights can help others feel better. So just like around Christmas time, when it's so nice to drive around and see lights. They're calming. So a lot of people are putting lights out. Some people play musical instruments on balconies, on porches, and in yards. I'm going to look and see if I can find a YouTube, but in Italy, where this hit really hard, there's some videos around of people out in an apartment out on their balconies. This is a balcony. It's something you can stand outside of, kind of like a deck, but up high, and they're playing music for each other. Others in the neighborhood listen to the music. They may sing or dance in their yards. The music can help others feel better. Some people are making chalk art to share happiness. People draw with chalk on sidewalks and driveways. They write happy messages too. Others see the chalk art. The chalk art can make them feel better. So here's my challenge this week. I want you, if you have chalk, I don't want you guys to go get any, but if you have chalk, I want you to go into your driveway and I want you to draw something that might make you or someone else happy, and send the class a picture. Send me a picture and I'll send it out. So that's my challenge to you and your parents this week. Some people are putting teddy bears into their windows. Others walk through the neighborhoods. They look for the teddy bears in the windows. They count the teddy bears they see. The teddy bears can help others feel better. So my neighborhood didn't do this, but I have some friends who's did. It's more for little kids just to get out and walk, and it gives them something to look for. So it's like a scavenger hunt for teddy bears. Have any of you guys done that? Let me know if you have. Okay, page 6. Some people are painting pictures of rainbows. They put the pictures into their windows. The pictures are colorful. Others see the pictures. The colorful pictures can help them feel better. So just another thing people are doing to try to make people feel better. All right, page 7. Many people are staying home more now. They are not going to restaurants, movie theaters, schools, or playgrounds. The playgrounds is a tough one. Okay, even if nobody's on the playground, you should not go swing on it. Okay, because somebody could have been there that was sick. And they say that this virus lives on plastic and metal. Okay, even when someone's not there. Okay, so you have to make sure that you don't go to a playground. Okay, the movie theaters are closed, restaurants are closed. You can get carry out. That is perfectly fine. Follow the ask your parents about warming it up and following the governor's guidelines. Okay, school. As you know, we are not going back to school. We're going to read a little bit about that and some things and how that makes us feel, either this week or next week. People may feel sad about missing their friends. People may feel scared about the coronavirus. Sharing happiness can help others feel better. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. They are sharing happiness with lights, music, chalk art, teddy bears, and pictures. What can you do to share happiness? So I want you to talk with your parents about that, whether it's something that they've told us in this article or something that you think you can do. And if you would like to share that with our class on our Zoom meeting this week, I would love for you to do that. So just let me know and I'll make sure you have a chance. It would be great if everybody could share one thing that they did this week that made them happy or someone else happy. So that is another challenge for you this week. All right, so this is just a reminder about the coronavirus. The coronavirus is a new illness. Okay, the reason this is so scary is it's new. We don't know a lot about it. People want to stop the spread of the coronavirus. They are staying home to help stop the spread. The coronavirus makes some people very sick. It spreads quickly from person to person. So, just like the flu, although this is different, okay, it went around our class and it spread very fast, quickly. So, that's why we have to stay home. I'm going to skip this page because we already talked about our neighborhoods. All right, I put a video on here, okay? So I'll play a little clip for you. We love to dance to this song in class. I urge you guys to get up and dance to this. Seem crazy what I'm about to say. Take away. All right, I'm gonna let you listen to that on your own. But I threw that in. Just that song makes me want to dance. So get up and dance. All right, that's all. So remember your 2 challenges this week that I want to hear about. Okay, if you have chalk or anything you can write on your sidewalk with, do that. Or put a rainbow in your window or a teddy bear. Do one of the things they talked about. Put a green light out. Send me a picture. Okay. And for our class Zoom on Friday, I would like for you to share one thing you did this week to make somebody or to make yourself happy. I love you guys. Love, love, love you. I miss you so much. Have a good week. Bye.